guys, welcome back to my channel. It is Kelly here, and as I promised on the previous video that I'll be doing latte arts with you guys, so that's what I'm going to do today, step by step. I'm going to make sure that you guys see exactly what I'm doing and how everything is done and stuff like that. But I'm pretty sure you have this question in your mind if you've never ever had coffee in your life or you've never heard of a word called latte. Well, actually a latte is a coffee. It's a hot beverage, yes, and it is made out of a single shot espresso with milk. So guys, I'm definitely going to take you guys step by step, of course. And yeah, I haven't thought of the pattern as yet on which art we should do today, but yeah, I mean, we'll do this step by step, guys, and I'll definitely show you on how to actually level your shots and how to put everything into place and stuff like that. So I'm definitely looking forward to it, and what are we waiting for? Let's go. Awesome. So guys, as you can see, I'm putting my filter here to actually grind the beans. So remember, you only need a single shot. You only need a single shot, but this filter thingy is actually for a double cappuccino, a double shot, so it's double espresso. So what you want to do is you just want to tamp it down and just tamp the beans, and then yeah, you want to clean it here so you can put it on the coffee machine, and then yeah, let's go. So yeah, just make sure it is very, very tight, and I need to get like yes, you shouldn't have showed me there, but it's okay. Yeah, so yeah, and yeah, so then you do this, kind of press it, and here we are showing seconds. So as soon as your counting becomes 30 seconds, you just want to stop the shot, okay? So for hygiene purposes, since the steamer has been left like this, almost like I don't know when, so you just want to wipe this nice wand and kind of release the steamer as well, so you can get like a great steam. And yeah, now I'm frothing my milk. Yeah, you kind of want it to be really fine with no bubbles, so you can have your pattern nice and smooth. Yeah, so that's what we want. And yeah, almost there. You have to make sure that your hand is on the jug so you can feel actually the temperature. Okay, now this is fine. You just kind of wipe the wand and then just release again. I'm pretty sure it's noisy, but that's okay. And then you just kind of want to hit your jug on the thingy, on the counter, just to get that nice frothy vibe, no bubbles. And this is your one shot of espresso, hey? So yeah, let's go. This is your latte. As you can see, it's not that art for us, and yeah, the latte pattern. And thank you so much guys for watching this video, and on the next video I'll be doing a mochaccino art and stuff like that, and actually how to make a mochaccino. So yeah, I'm definitely looking forward to that video again, and please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. And yes, thank you so much for watching this video. Cheers and bye.